Hello, welcome to Coders Coding. In this video, we are going to see how the CSS animation will work. By using the HTML, I have to develop this one. Now I have to take a notepad and here I have to take the HTML. Inside the HTML, I write a header tag. Inside the header tag, take the title tag. This is the very basic fundamental. You know very well, right? Now you have to mention the title name should be related to the task. Then the close the title and then come out of the title. Then here you have to mention style style tag. In this style tag we have to mention the target the elements to apply the sum of the properties. Now come to the body. In this body section we will be write the main content. The body I have to take. Inside the body I have to take one div tag. Now div tag I have to take the close the div tag and write here uh, class name should be, you have to take anything, not a compulsory. I have take a shape, then I copy the shape, and class always denoted with a dot. So dot shape, then open braces and close the curly brace, and mention with the width 300 pixel, height 300 pixel. And if you want to give the color, you can give background color. I give like a yellow or pink, whatever it may be, you can specify it there. I specified here pink. Border I have to take border radius. I have to take a 12 pixel, which is good to looks. Now save this file wherever you want. There you can save, but don't forget you have to give the machine should dot html. So file name dot html. So file name I have to specify here test. Then wait here, it will be appeared here, right? So then refresh it and see here. Now come back to the code and write. So what I want to do exactly here, animation color change, animation color change 3 seconds, and then give color change animation color change 3 seconds infinite alternate. Then coming to the at the rate keyframes color change. This is a, so one frame to another frame, when it will move the one frame to another frame, then respected frame color change as well as move within the time span 3 seconds, that I have to write it here. Then specify the colors 12% background color, whatever you want you have to specify it. I have to specify it here, so orange, which I like more. Then coming to the 45% or else 50%, so I have to specify it here. And background color, what I have to take here blue I have to take, and then 75 percentage I can specify it here, background color. Now 75 percentage background color, and give the value as a green. Now save this file, and then we already saved, right? Now coming to the output, see here the colors are changing one frame to another frame. Respected frame, the colors will be applied here. Now coming back to the code, and to make some to make more beautiful, then I have to write it here. What we have to specify here. So now it just look like a square shape, right? Now I will make it as a circular, and some text will be, I have to specify it in the on the div, it will be displayed break, and give some text, then let it see how it will be looks good. Then code is coding, I have to mention my YouTube channel. Then see here it will be appear on top right, top left. Then the text I will make it as a center, and apply some colors. Text align I have to give, which is a property which will be align the text center. Then see, then coming back, then color I have to give. If it is a more visibility purpose, I have to specify the color white. Then save and run the code. Now you will observe here the color will be changed black to white. Then if you want to specify some of the properties, you can specify font size. I have to give 30 pixel. Now see it will be looks good, right? Now coming back, and then justify content, I have to specify it here, uh, center. Then come back to check whether it's come to the center or not. No, what I'm expecting, the top of the center content will be occupy the middle of the div. That's what I am expecting here. For that I have to do change some of the properties, it's automatically comes to there. So align items I have to give like a center. So we will save and then check. So still it's not working. So better to you have to give display flex. Then you can see there 100% I think so it will be uh, occupy the text in the middle of the div. If you a small magic I have to do here. So there is a border radius is 12 pixel I have to given, right? You just have to mention 50 percentage, then you can see, then looks good, right? Then it will be looks like a circular shape, and moving one frame to another frame with respect text. So for more videos, please like subscribe my channel. Thank you so much your time.